Hey guys, Aaron here. I am at the Milwaukee Zoo today and I have to clean a very old and very dirty polar bear, among other things. So we're going to take a look at that. All right, so the first step here is we dusted him really good, and then we used Mountain Medics to completely get him coated and dusted off, as you saw me doing on the video. Now we're going to clean the eyes up, and then we're going to fluff them back up. The Mountain Medics stuff that I used also acts as a bug proofer, so he's going to have some protection from that as well. Before I do that, I'm going to clean the eyes off. Again, I'm going to use Mountain Medics and eye cleaner for that. Works really good if you're on the go and you have to do something like this. These eyes are dirty, dirty, dirty. Goodness gracious. Yeah, they're going to have to be completely redone. They're just literally falling out at this point. So yeah. This, because of the potential arsenic content in this thing, I'm thinking we're going to have to take this thing back to the shop and rework those eyes and some other parts of this and get him shampooed up to really clean him up. All right, now we're going to fluff him. Now again, if you want to do a complete cleaning restoration on this, we got to get him back to the shop, and we have to get him shampooed and then all redone. But you know, on the spot here, this isn't a bad way to do it. Actually, I think I'm going to clean these feet up just a little bit more. They are dirty, dirty, dirty. Got a snow leopard. That's pretty cool. I got owls and some other common things. That's the thing when you got museums and educational, you can have owls and related. This here is pretty dang cool. Not something you see every day.